Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobie. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. And if this is not your first time stopping by, guess what? You're also welcome. So today I'm doing something different, strange. I'm doing my makeup standing up, which is how I usually do it. So it's actually a little bit more comfortable than sitting down. So this is just a get ready with me that I want to do. Again, I am about to be on my way to church. I think Sundays have become my recording day because that's just when I have time and it's convenient for me. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get into this makeup look. I hope the sunlight is enough. Okay, let's get started.
Hey y'all, so I decided to record this voiceover and just make this like a, interactive type of makeup. I'm not really going to be talking about what I'm doing, I'm just going to be talking. So I actually saw Alissa Ashley. I saw a video of hers recently and I had seen it a while back, but then it just it popped up on my timeline again, and it was just a video that I really enjoyed. It was her makeup therapy video, and pretty much in that video she's just doing her makeup and just talking. I just wanted to do something similar because I found that video very soothing. Like, it just kind of calmed me. Anyone who knows me knows that I like doing makeup at random times, and people might not understand that, but like, doing makeup for me is just a moment for me to kind of like forget about like everything else, all the other distractions, all the other concerns that I may have about whatever. So I just have like very soothing music playing for you guys in the background, and I'm just talking in the softest voice that I can. I'm actually about to go to sleep. I thought this would be a perfect time to record it because I'm already tired, so my voice is not going to be as hyper as it typically is sometimes. That's pretty much what the purpose of me talking is, just in case you guys were wondering what is going on here. Hope you keep watching, don't click out, okay? I see those analytics. Come on now. I can't help myself, guys. Anyway, so I just wanted to talk really quickly about like just anybody going through a difficult period right now. Like, if you're struggling with something, whatever it may be, I know that I'm struggling with a bunch of things myself right now, but I just wanted to mention that, the thing is, whenever we're going through very difficult times or we're having just like a hard time, we should definitely not despair and we should definitely not give up. I just wanted to let you know that whatever it is you're going through, whatever problems you're facing right now that seem insurmountable, I promise you that it's going to work itself out. I promise you that things will get better. The truth is that the period of the times when we're going through the most difficulty, the period of our trials, of our battles, of our struggle, that's when God is trying to test your character. Because to be honest, like, when things are rosy and when things are dandy, we tend to be at our best self. But then when things are rough and when things are not going well, what is our reaction? What are our actions? What are the things that we do? Do we become a completely different person? Or do we still hold our heads high and just say, you know what? This might be the situation right now, but I know it's going to get better. I'm going to keep pushing. I'm not gonna give up hope, So I really appreciate the fact that I know that now, because you know, whenever we're just going through a hard time, it's very easy to start blaming ourselves, to start blaming our friends, our families, or even God. But we need to understand that no matter what we are going through, no matter what we face, He's with us every day. He's watching over us. He will never leave or forsake us. So I just wanted to say that if you're going through anything or thinking that, you know, God has abandoned you or God has like left you alone, I just want to remind everybody that our Father is like always there. He's always watching over us. He's always listening to us. And even if you think right now that, you know, everything just seems to be going the wrong way, I would just take it as a test of character. Try to watch what your actions or what your reactions are to like things, and just like pray through it. And I promise you, like, you're gonna come out of the other side a stronger person. If not anything, you will come out of the other side a stronger person. Yeah, I just want to say, don't give up, you know, put your head up. I definitely know like there are a lot of things right now that I'm struggling with, but you know what? I know God is going to come through for me. He's never going to leave me. He's never going to forsake me. So, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed me talking/watching this video. I don't know when this turned into like a whole sermon, but I just really felt led to talk about these things. And yeah. For sure, if you have any questions, if you have a comment, just leave it down below in the comment section. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I definitely enjoyed shooting it. I'm going to go to bed now. It's almost 1 a.m. Actually, it's past 1 a.m. So I'm going to go to bed now. Wish me luck, because I have to be up at 5 a.m. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.